the online tool draw.io and you will select new UML. Okay, so in UML there is some classes, class name, class style. So we will go to user, product, and then product, user, order, and cost. Class. Okay, so user can say name and phone number. There should not be any method. Okay, and product, inside product you will have name, what we will do, we will copy this name and we'll have price, double, and method, like there can be some method, add product, and add, delete, and update. Okay, so and then we will have a order means in order class we will have product, we will have product class, product, a user class, and we will write there and make order. Okay, and then we will have a cart. Inside cart I will amount, and we will write the methods increment. What it will do, it will be void and delete. Okay, so in bill we will contain order, object, generate bill. Yes, so this is all. Okay, so we will just connect these class. So with this, like product, user, and user, what user do, the user places order. Okay, so a user places order and products, like you can use this, products goes into cart, okay, and the bill is generated with this, and then the straight line okay, this is the last diagram. Okay,
Yes.
and this is all of these. Okay. So, okay, so done.
Yeah.